From Istanbul, a young boy asked, why during the time of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam was there not a perfect revealed book like the Holy Quran?
Huh? A book like the Holy Quran?
Yeah.
During the time of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam.
Hadith.
Because the people were not developed enough and were not mentally advanced enough or socially advanced enough to receive the complete message from the Holy Quran, the complete message from Allah, which is Holy Quran. So gradually the books came after Adam as well. Books came during the time of Noah, Abraham, Moses, Ismail, etc., etc., which advanced the cause of religious teaching further. But always in relation to the advancement of the man of that age, never without reference to this. So the decisive factor was the state of the people of that age, how far they could understand, how far they could take, how far the age has advanced to require a complete answer to the questions belonging to that age as were dealt with by the Holy Quran. So this is not an arbitrary decision of Allah. It is based on very sound logic which cannot be ignored.